First time ever.
Yes, Sama Canton for the first time.
And this is also a high-powered starting five, Coach Olsen, dahil si Victor Gijol, who blocks this shot of JV Mocon, along with Gabayni and Alanes. They are three of the top scorers ng Pirates.
Yung matchup na Gijol against Adiogun dahil magkaiba yung bumabantay sa kanilang dalawa ngayon. You have Gijol.
Gabayni, hingi yung bola. Lakas de Santos brings it from the outside. During his first year as a college student, inside pass, nakita si Wilson. Baseramer going all the way. Person from San Beda, right?
Yes, teammate ko rin. Naging teammate ko rin na player ko na ngayon.
For Perth. Amer, pinasa kay De La Cruz. De La Cruz is able to finish.
Tingnan mo, kung napansin mo, Anton, talaga nag-change yung pace nung laro dito sa small lineup ng San Beda.
And Ronald Pascual in San Sebastian. Ngayon, ibang classic sitwasyon na to para kay Coach Topex.
Ice Reyes dito sa San Beda. It's more of a defensive player, defensive stopper.
10 seconds to go on the shot clock. Sara, jab step, fires for three. Dan Sara knocks it down. Si Coach Olsen Rosella as we see this CBN.com. Victor Gijol, let's see if he will get himself going, and this is the potential that we see. San Beda gets this important field goal. 8 on the shot clock para sa LPU. Baltazar na naman. That time, Baltazar kumonekta mula sa labas.
Nakaka-matchup sa kanila sa loob. Ngayon,
oh! Edgar Marata at the buzzer! Ayon sa turnover right away.
of De La Cruz. Very dangerous.
Wilson Baltazar.
Isa pang scorer at yun na nabibigay dito ni Baltazar.
Tonko from the corner. No, tama yung sinabi ni Alanes kay Siege. He will be back. Oh! That's the alley-oop of the season right there. Shaq Alanes to Victor Gijol, who drops the hammer with both hands. You fans, that is a preview of the future. Victor Gijol. Pero eto naman ang pambawi. Wilson Baltazar bustling his way to the basket.
Sarap na yan, ano?
Tama ka, Coach Olsen. He made 8 in the first half.
But of course, pinakita ng San Beda that they have more weapons, going to Art De La Cruz,